Agile Remodeling Handyman is located in Kenmore, Washington. We are professional, highly skilled, and direct to you. We do remodeling and renovation, kitchens, bathrooms, and decks, windows, doors, and more. We do clean work. We also provide handyman services, repair, replace, and maintain. Maybe you already have plans, or maybe not yet. We can help you. No project is too small for great ideas. Agile Remodeling Handyman, your source for quick, affordable, and high-quality results. Around Kenmore, Washington and the surrounding area, call 206-696-4626. Email info@agilremodel.com. Visit agilremodel.com for more info.